Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
Thailand. So what are you doing now?
No, I'm in a few minutes. I'm going to sleep.
Oh, now. What time is it now in your country?
In
Thailand?
here in Thailand is the different apart 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes.
Thailand? I am from
Yeah.
Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
No. I know. Yes. Yeah. I know.
Thailand is Bangladesh. How much time is different?
2 hours, I think.
Two
Right.
hours? What time is it now? Your time? Can you say
Two
your time?
twenty. 2:20.
2:20.
Yes.
So 1 hour is different.
So your country is now what time is it?
My 1:20 a.m. in my country.
Also, it's maybe like around 1 hour, right?
Oh, that's good. So this is
Yes.
your own room?
Yes. Why?
Okay. So what do you do, dear?
I'm a student.
Student. Which class are you studying? Hi, wait. I want to talk with you a few minutes, please. Please. Hey, I want to talk with you a few minutes, please. Please. Give me one moment, please. Hey, please. I want to know. Don't try.